Okay, you're welcome to this place. Quickly in this video, without wasting your time, I want to show you how to put the site under construction plugin activated on your site, in the sense that the rough work you are doing on your site yet, you don't want people to see it, you don't want them to be aware. You want it to be like boom, and then they are seeing the beauty of the site instead of seeing the building process. So there is this site under construction plugin that works with WordPress that I'm going to be showing you, that we're going to be doing now. So just follow me as we move along. My name is Shidra Moran. I'm a web designer, I'm a digital marketer. So quickly, it's not hard to do this, but the way I teach in such a way that you will not program what I'm teaching you in your head. You want to know, you want to you want to do more research for yourself, and you want to improve. Okay, so quickly, let's go there. Now, this is how to go about it. First thing you are going to do is you go to plugins. When you get to plugins, now under plugins, you are having add new plugin and install plugins. So basically, it's a plugin that will do that job. So we go to add new plugins. I want to assume that you know how to access your WordPress. That's very important. So here now, WordPress, we click on plugin, add new plugins. Now, you don't want to upload an external plugin. No, so you come to the search bar here. You go to, you search site under construction. So site under construction. So it's, let's see this. Okay, cool. So it brings out some of these plugins here. So I actually deactivated the one I have because of this tutorial. I used to have one on this particular website I'm working on. Okay, so these are the list of plugins that you can use. Now look at this first one, WP maintenance mode and site construction, under construction. These are series of plugins you can use to do that, and also you can know the one that people use the most based on the number of people that have installed it. Now looking at this, you have 2000 plus active installations. That shows that to an extent people are using it. But look at this, you have 700,000 plus active installations. It means that definitely this one is preferred and works better. Look at 900,000 plus active installations. So those ones that have higher active installations, I think based on experience, I advise that you work with those ones. So I'm very sure. So this particular one is very user friendly. So I've used this one before, but like I said, I uninstalled it just because of this particular video I want to make. Okay, so now if you are new to plugins, installation and activation and all of that, so once you get here, if it is this one you would like to try, just click on install now. After clicking on install now, allow it to install. Once it install, it will show you the activation button. Then you can easily click on, just as this, you've done something like that, you can easily click on activate. So once you activate it, then you know the rest. But in this case, I'm not installing any other. I have this installed already. So the next thing I'm going to be doing is I'll activate it. Now it is being activated already. So I've activated this under site under construction. I would show you. Now, in case you want to deactivate or anything, go to installed plugin here, installed plugin. Now when you get here, this is what you're going to do. Now you go to under construction. This is it, under construction. Now you go to, if you want to deactivate it, just click deactivate. It will be deactivated. If you want to delete it, just check this, then go up here, click on delete. Once you click on delete and click apply, the plugin will be deleted. So these are the list. Basically, this is where you will see the list of all your plugins. Yeah. Okay. Okay, now, okay, we want to work on this. Now, once you can also deactivate or activate any plugin here. Can you see? Once I click on this one now, it will be deactivated, but for now it's been activated. Once I click on this, it's been, you see. So now back to our point of attention. So the next place you are going is settings. You go to your settings because you need to choose the one that works best for you. So you go to your settings. So this one is very, very simple. So if it's a site that is coming soon, you want to launch the site soon, you can go with this. Then you set the date, you set the time, you set your countdown in such a way that it rhymes with the date you want to launch the site. But if it doesn't have anything to do with countdown, something like this is cool. I used to have this one there. I'm a very busy person though, so I really don't have time for your paparazzi. I just want people to know that, okay, this site is fine, but just under construction will be coming soon. So here are choices you can make. You can choose any of these, but if I were you, anyone having WordPress logo, I will avoid it because it is already sending a message that, oh, they're already building the website with WordPress. With that, people shouldn't really easily have an idea of the software you are using to build your website or the platform you are using. So we have series of stuffs you can use like that. You can use this. This is very simple. Sorry, we are doing some work on this site. It's as simple as ABC. So you can preview. Let me preview it in another tab. So you see, this is how it will look when they visit your site. This is what they will see. Sorry, we are doing some work on this site. This looks more better and looks more professional. Even your clients will not, some clients can be annoying. As you are working, they want to be monitoring. So you have even shut the client out until you do the final job. Then you say now you can access your website. Please access and check if there's any reservations or any if there's any observation, please let us know. You get? So I think it's better that way. So once you've seen the one you like or you like to use, just click on the activate. So it's been activated. So, and this particular one is free. But then if you log in here, let me refresh this page. If you log in here, because I'm doing the work with this particular Chrome, I will have the access to still be seeing what I'm doing, because as I'm working on my back end on my site, I will need to be checking what I'm doing. So it is on this same system I will be doing that to make my work easier. So as I'm working here, as I'm building my website here, I'm checking what I'm doing, if it's balanced. So now I'm the only one basically that can see this. As you are seeing this now, the under construction mode is activated already. This is how you will look at. You see, it is on here. Now let me show you so that you know. So you go to this is how to know if it's active. You go to another Chrome and you get here. So that same site. So you see, so we are doing some work on this site. Bam. So that is that about that. So let's go back to where we were. So coming back here now, we've done that. So but then there are some other things you can do. You can explore. This is design. This is content. The content you have on it. You can edit. You can edit what you want to display. Site tagline, description. This sorry, we are doing some work on this site. You can edit it to sorry, we will be back shortly. So it can be anything. So there are a lot of things to be done, but for the sake of this video not being too long, you can link your social media pages to it in such a way that maybe your website, as your website is down, you are updating some of your you are updating on your social media and you want them to really keep in touch. You can tell them, please follow our social media pages, and you just go and copy the link of your social media pages, put them here, then you save the changes. Once they click on it, it leads them there. So thanks so much for coming. So basically, you just need to explore, and explore. Don't get tired of exploring. That's the best way to learn. If I continue to break all these things down one after the other now, we may not leave this place on time. It will be very long, and I don't want that. So, and it also have a pro version. You don't need pro version. Don't worry. Just use the free version and enjoy it. You don't need much. You don't need much. So thanks so much for joining this class. Thanks so much for watching. If you are streaming this online, maybe on YouTube or anywhere, kindly click the subscribe button so as to be easily notified or get aware when I post another video. And apart from that, I think it's just a way of supporting we content creators by just subscribing. Subscribing will not do anything wrong to you. So thank you very much and have a good day. Bye.